Hi, I'm Frankey'B, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own barcode in Excel absolutely free of charge. This barcode can be recognized and read by any barcode scanner. And I'm also going to show you how to download and install the barcode font that you'll need to make this transformation. So without further ado, let's do it! Now the first thing we need to do is to open Excel. And now we're going to enter some numbers and letters. In this example, we first need to make sure the column containing the code is formatted as text by right-clicking on the column and select Format Cell. Then in this dialog box, select Numbers on the top bar and then select Text and then click OK. To make sure the barcode runs smoothly, we will need to type in a special code. So click into the barcode column where you need to generate the barcode. In this case, it's C4. Now enter the formula which will do the calculation for you, which begins with an equal sign, followed by a quotation mark, then an open bracket, followed by another quotation mark, and then an ampersand. And now add the coordinates of the cell that contains the code we want to convert, which is B4. And now add another ampersand, followed by a quotation mark, and now a close bracket, and finally another quotation mark. And now hit enter. And there you are, that's perfect. And this is our background on which our barcode will be based. Then copy the function to the rest of the rows. Now drag the right hand corner down to the bottom. Now change the font in the column barcode to the font ID Automation HC39M. And there you are, it's converted like magic. Simple, quick and easy. The function is dynamic, which means any change in the source code will show in the barcode. For example, if you change the value in, let's say, the 1 to a 2, then the data in column C will refresh automatically and a new barcode will be generated based on the new value. But just before you go ahead and create some barcodes, maybe it's a good idea to check if you've got the font. That's the ID Automation HC39M. That converts simple codes into barcodes installed on your computer. Best to check the font list. And if you don't see it there, you'll need to download and install it. It's free of charge. To do this, you need to go to www.idautomation.com and download it for free from the website. I'll leave a link in the description down below for you. Click on the link which will take you to the website. You'll see the code 39 barcode font. Click on the download now. If you don't see it straight away, scroll up and you'll see it. Then click on the download now. The file will download as a zip file. If you don't see it, open your Explorer and look in your download folder, and you'll see it there. Then you can drag it onto your desktop. Then to open it, right click on it and select Extract All. Now to install it, right click on it and click Install. Then check to see that the font is in your font list. And there you are, all present and correct. And now you can go ahead and create barcodes until your heart's contented. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped you. If it did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment and share this video if you'd like to see more videos like these. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Ciao for now. Frankey'B. Thank you very much.